Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel White Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to configure timer to compare mode. Basically we are going to channel 1 and timer 2 as compare mode to toggle the LED. So let us get started step by step. This is our previous project program. This is for general purpose timer. If you have not watched this video, so you should watch this video. Click on I button and watch this. Okay, so now I will create new project. Click on new project and I will create a new folder. Timer with compare. Okay, timer compare mode. I will select here controller, so STM32F411RE. select this and OK. Now select here Synopsys core and in device select here startup and OK. So you can see this is project. I will edit this. OK, and I will also edit this. Okay, I will add here main.c file. Okay, so I will start here programming. So first of all I will include here controller header stm32f4xx.h. Okay, int main, it is wide. I will start here programming. I am going to use PA5 pin because of LED is connected to PA5 pin. So first of all I will enable clock source for port A, RCC, ASB 1 ENR registers. Okay, now I will change the mode. GPIO A, mode registers. I will go to mode registers in reference manual. Okay, so I will go to GPIO registers. Here you can see this is mode registers. I am going to use here alternate function mode. So it is PA5 pin. So PA5 pins, it will be 1 0. It means 11th bit will be set. Okay, it is 1 left shifted by 11. Okay, now I will go to again user manual and we will go to 150 page. You can see here I am using PA5 pin as a timer 2. So this is AF1. So I have to select here alternate function low resistors because I am using here PA5 pin. If pin will be 8 to 15, then it will be AFRH, otherwise it will be AFRL. Okay, so we will go to again AFRL registers. I will type here GPIO A, AFRL, no, only AFR. Here index will be 0 because this is AFRL. It will be, this is AF1. So for the 5th bit it will be 0001. So only 20th bit will be set. Okay, so it will be 1 left shifted by 20. Okay, okay, now we will go to data sheet. You can see timer 2 is connected on APB1 bus. So I have to enable clock source for APB1 bus. RCC APB1 in our registers. We will go to APB1 ENR. Yeah. For the timer 2, 0th bit will be 1, means 0th bit will be set. So it will be 1 simply. And now I will use prescaler. Timer 2 arrow PSC equal to 16,000 minus 1, and again timer 2 automatic reload registers equal to 1000 minus 1. Okay, I have already explained in previous video how to calculate these things, prescaler and automatic reload registers. So if you have not watched that video, so go to description box and there is link, click on there and watch that video. Okay, now we will go to CCMR1 registers. Close this data sheet and go to timer section, timer registers. There is CCMR1 registers. Okay, drag down. Here it will compare the timer counter registers with CCR1, then LED will be toggle. Okay, so 4th and 5th bit will be 1 1, this one and this one. Timer 2 CCMR1 3 left shifted by 4. Okay, now we will go to CCR1 registers. Yeah, this is CCR1 registers. So it will be 0 by default because of it will be in match mode set. So timer 2 CCR1 0. Okay, now we will go to CCER registers. So yeah, this is CCER register. 0th bit will be 1 because of I am going to enable the compare mode, so it will be 1. Signal is output on corresponding output pin. So timer 2 CCER registers. Okay, now I will clear the counter. Timer 2 CR1 equal to 0. Now I will enable the timer. Okay, timer 2 CR1, sorry, this is CNT, because this is counter will be 0 by default. I will comment this. Okay, and it will be 1. Okay, I will use here just while loop, and it will be infinite. I will pass nothing here. I think now code is ready. So I will just go to target option and here select 16 megahertz and go to debug. Select here ST-Link debugger, settings, reset and run. Okay, select here compiler version 5. Okay, now just build the code. One warnings. Okay, again I will build the code. Okay, just ignore that thing, and now I will upload the code. Wow, you can see LEDs blinking with 1 Hz delay, or you can see LEDs producing 1 Hz signal. Okay, now I will just change here LED blinking frequency. I will remove 10 and again load this, build this code and load. Wow, you can see blinking speed is fast. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Thanks for watching.